have to talk about an agreement. So if I'm trying to separate myself and I'm Chad and I got something like that, and I don't know if they'll get that in, but I'm using that to my advantage to say these two had their own special relationship. This was all about their agreement. I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I mean, if you're the defendant, if you're Chad, you want to get as far away as you can, put as much distance between Lori and her brother, and then as you run away from those two, you want to label them as best you can a couple, and throw as much dirt on them as you continue to run. And so that's what you're hearing the defense plan to do here. And I imagine even when the judge makes the ruling, if the ruling comes down against Chad and says, hey, you can't enter this evidence, the defense attorney is going to be trying to enter it in as best as they can at every turn of the trial. It's salacious. It's the type of stuff people will look down, cast judgment upon. And then if the worse light that Lori and her brother looks in, the better he looks, despite the fact of the role that it's pretty clear that he probably played in all of this.
Yeah, no doubt. And he was involved in deaths long before Chad came in the picture involving Lori. So they've got that to work with as well. So Chad's got something to work with, no doubt about it. All right, Dante, stand by. I do have to take a break. Folks, the trial of former Playboy model Kelsey Turner is now off the books. It had been on the docket. It's off the docket. Up next, we explain what happened and why she won't be headed to trial for murder.